superstar. Yeah, and then we're ready to tackle our mess. So let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. That was the handshake that my daughter created in order to get us pumped and excited to clean up all the mess. I love having her help me clean. She's my little cleaning buddy and she just makes things so fun. So first, I'm starting in my kitchen like always. It's a never-ending mess. I feel like I cook and clean like 50 times a day, and yeah, it's just never ending. I even do that in this video. I'm pretty much cleaning to prepare lunch, and then I have a mess again. But if this is your first time seeing me, hey, my name is Stephanie McQueen. I am a married stay-at-home mom and a homeschool mom. I post motivational cleaning videos every Monday, and I would love for you to stick around and be a part of my journey. And as always, if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave me some comments, subscribe if you're new, and let's go ahead and get into this. This is just my cleaning vinegar and Dawn dish soap mix. This is like my go-to cleaner now because it works so well. I just love to use it all the time.
You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, cleaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. I had to convince my friends this time. Think you're toxic to my mind, but I know they don't know what you're all about. The way you hold my body tight, staying up talking through the night. Yeah, I know they just don't. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you.
So salads are pretty much our go-to lunch every single day. I love that salads, and I think that they're super easy to make, and my husband is still working from home, so I like to kind of prepare it before his lunch break. That way we have a little more time to sit and talk and eat together, because 30 minutes is seriously like no time. My favorite things to put on a salad are cucumbers, pretty much all the nuts and seeds like chia seeds, flax seeds, sunflower seeds, cashews, pumpkin seeds, and just, yeah, all of those. I also love to add a little bit of Kerrygold cheese, and I like to put spinach in there as well. And also, this may sound weird, but some jalapenos. I love to make it a little spicy. And then my favorite dressing right now is the Chipotle Ranch. So leave me some comments below. I would love to know some things that you guys like to put on your salad.
It's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing.
how could I forget avocados? I love avocados. They definitely are a must on our salads for sure.
But guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing. But guess I need more of you. You say you do at night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing.
I'm also so hyped because I found these grain-free tortilla chips, which are the only tortilla chips I can eat. I'm so happy to have them.
You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good loving, something that I never thought existed. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. McQueen needs a king to be by her side.
One of our favorite songs came on, and it is called The Get Up by Blanco Brown. I don't know if you guys have heard it before, but Genesis was like, Mom, can I dance to this? And we take a break. So here it is. Enjoy some dances from Genesis.
He can do me better than
I really need to invest in a handheld vacuum that does a good job at picking up dirt and hair off of surfaces like this, because my vacuum worked, but it doesn't work as well as I would like on this type of stuff. So I definitely need to get like a handheld vacuum.
Toxic. Somehow you're fine with it, even when I'm chaotic. You see the shade in the cold, it's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do when the flame's going high with my bad patience? I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about.
We keep all of our electronics under our bed right here. So we have Genesis's DVD player and a laptop and other things like that. So I was just rolling up the cords and making it a little more organized under there.
My bad temper, what am I supposed to do when the flame's going high with my bad patience? I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about. Yeah, you know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about. It's not about.
So Genesis made me this for Mother's Day this year, and I thought it came out so beautiful. Those are actually tiny little jewels in there, and she put together the whole design, and it just came out wonderful. So this was funny to me. My husband was actually working this day that I was cleaning in the room, and he had went on break. So I just took that opportunity to clean off his desk real quick.